Alright, welcome back to Sunny's Adventures, and today we're cooking with Lexi, or Oakley, and Sully. Yeah, we're gonna go to the store and get some ingredients, and we're gonna make brownies and cookies at the same time. So yeah, let's do it.
Here we go. Now it's recording. So what we're doing now is we're getting stuff for brownies and cookies.
We're not Betty Crocker, but we're using Ghirardelli chocolate cocoa powder.
Who the heck is Betty Crocker?
Oh no! Come on, Sana, are you uncultured? It's only the cookie maker.
Okay. I know you said we needed sugar.
Alright, we couldn't find any of the ingredients we needed, so we decided to buy the box.
We're gonna be Betty Crocker.
Yeah, we decided to get Betty Crocker, and I think a Ghirardelli.
Ghirardelli.
Or something like that.
We don't move yet.
Are you gonna fart?
No.
You better not. Alright guys, this is what we got.
Troubles. Alexa.
We got the Betty Crocker Supreme Frosted.
Alexa.
Caramel chocolate chips. Reese's chocolate chips. These sound gross. Milk chocolate chips. Double chocolate chunk from Betty Crocker. And regular chocolate chips from Betty Crocker. Oh, and her sister's calling. I wasn't ready.
What else?
That's it.
Okay, what are you gonna mix?
Egg.
This?
Probably.
It's a Betty Crocker thing.
Then yeah.
Doesn't work too hot, does it?
We just started.
That's why I never use it. You'll see.
It looks like it's bending.
Yeah, it's a little messy.
I mean, it doesn't
You
work
better
too
help
hot.
with the plastic spoon.
I know. I got tons of plastic spoons.
I mean, maybe it's supposed to wobble.
Girl, I don't know.
Gotta be
Pisses
like-
me off. How about? It's all about the wrist. It's all
Look at
about
that
the
flick
wrist.
it out wrist.
Alexa, you okay? Girlfriend?
She drowned.
Yeah.
Sorry, something went wrong.
I know, girl.
Is your Wi-Fi on?
Alexa, play music.
Dude, if I break this,
Sure,
I'm really
here's a
not
custom
sorry.
mix just for you.
Custom. I don't know the song.
The following portions of this video are all going to be a different night of us baking on a different day. We needed a redo because the first night it kind of got away from us, out of hand, carried away. And so we didn't really finish the baking video that we were re-recording. So yeah, we did end up making all the stuff that we showed. It's just we didn't, finish the video. So we're redoing it, having a movie night, making all the cookies, and then just having a little craft movie night type thing, and it's gonna be really fun. We're also gonna be making some tacos, which I'm super excited about. So I'll stop talking and get back to our regular scheduled programming. Hope you enjoy. Alright, welcome back to Sunny's Adventures, and today we're having a movie night. We're gonna be making cookies. We got Nestle Toll House. We got the pumpkin ghosts, or no, Pillsbury ghosts. And pumpkins. These ones
Is
right
this
here.
for October or September?
This is October.
Okay. It's September right now, video.
So
In case you-
don't wreck the vibe. Okay, so we're gonna make some
you
cookies.
didn't know. What is this, a freaking penguin?
A ghost.
Oh.
Oh, she's squishing them. Are you supposed to do that?
Bring it around and find out.
Okay, she's manhandling. Are you mixing the like two? Why are you?
I didn't mix any. Wait, what?
This is not just one.
Oh, yeah, no.
What'd she do?
I put 2, I think.
I think you're
Or
just supposed to
3.
leave it as squares. Why are you fondling our cookies right now?
I want to fondle them. So your video doesn't turn out lame.
What are you doing?
What are those? What are
You
those?
might need another sheet, man.
I mean, that's fine. I have another one.
Okay. Tell me that looks bad.
Those are gonna touch. Oh, those are cool. Okay, Lexi, turn that on.
Like, do you...
Oh yeah. How's that, Selma?
I don't like the ringtone.
Gotta get in the vibes. We're gonna go around, turn them on. To watch our spooky movie, which is actually Hocus Pocus. Alright, now the movie, Hocus Pocus.
And the setup.
We're actually gonna get some colors in color too.
Oh yeah, that too.
First round of cookies are out. We burnt a little bit of it. But they're looking pretty good. They smell good. Round 2 going on. Oh. Alright, she's trying the makeshift cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Is it banger?
Mm-hmm.
I'll try it too. Oh, it's super squishy. Oh, that's so much better.
Yeah. That's not bad.
Good choice. Yo, what's up? We're starting to make our tacos now. We went dessert first, and now our real meal. So yeah. You just gonna leave it there when you don't like it?
I just ate a really burnt cookie.
This one's a little burnt too.
These are the cookies in question.
And this is the really burnt stuff I'm talking about.
Yeah, it even smells like a burnt cookie. But that's okay. Because when you have nachos to cover it up, when you have nachos to cover it up.
We have nachos.
Six Flags, man?
Yeah, we're going there in like 2 weeks.
We'll update you when we're back. Alright, I could be a housewife.
Alright, how's the party going? We got taco meat about to be done. She's got her nachos set up. Selena is vlogception. that'll be a wrap to me, Lexi and Selena hanging out, having just a good old Sunday. Obviously, the tacos were super good. The cookies were super good. Highly recommend putting the festive cookie on the chocolate chip cookie. That tastes so good. Yeah, we did some crafts. We watched a festive movie. It was a good time. I had a really, really good time. Time to wrap up this night. Hope you guys had a good day as well. Come back tomorrow for another Vlog-oween video. Goodbye.